In the last video, we talked about why inventory can keep growing even when demand is flat. Now I want to go one level deeper because not all inventory is obvious. Some of the most damaging inventory in an operation doesn't show up neatly on a report. It hides in WIP. It hides in queues. It hides in partially completed work. This is what I call invisible inventory, and it's almost always created by flow problems, not demand problems. When people hear the word flow, they often think about speed. But flow isn't about moving faster, it's about moving predictably. Good flow means work moves in a known sequence. Constraints are respected. Decisions are made early, not late. When flow is healthy, work moves smoothly from one step to the next. When flow is broken, work piles up, quietly at first. Here's what broken flow looks like in real operations. Work gets released without full visibility to constraints. Priorities change midstream. Upstream keeps producing even when downstream can't absorb it. Nothing looks wrong at first, but then WIP builds between steps. Orders sit partially complete. Material waits for capacity, approvals, or missing parts. That work doesn't always show up as excess finished goods, but it's still inventory. It ties up cash, it consumes space, it hides problems instead of solving them. Invisible inventory is dangerous because dashboards often don't surface it clearly. Finished goods might look reasonable, but on the floor teams feel it. Longer lead times, more expediting, more firefighting. That disconnect happens because most systems track what exists, not how work is flowing. When flow problems persist, inventory becomes the buffer of last resort. Instead of fixing decision timing, organizations allow more WIP. Execution slows, trust erodes, and every recovery effort costs more than the last. If you want to uncover invisible inventory, don't just look at stock levels. Look at where work waits, where queues form. Flow tells the truth long before inventory reports do. When flow improves, invisible inventory surfaces and then disappears. Inventory hides inside broken flow. I'm Michelle with Streamline Consulting Group. Let's fix the flow and grow your business. Subscribe for more.